We're in the garden now in this fall of the year. You set out sweet potatoes early in the summer, probably in late May and June. And we've got all these vines just growing all over our garden now in the sweet potatoes, but how do we know that the sweet potatoes are ready to be dug? You'll see some flowers that are blooming in the sweet potato vines that has no effect as far as the production. They do not produce seed for your potatoes next year. But as we look down in the soil, we'll see that the soil is beginning to crack. And that is a good indication that sweet potatoes are developing and they're getting closer to being ready to be harvested. So if you start seeing these cracks in the soil, you may want to look and dig just a little bit. So when you move the vines back in the sweet potato and you see the cracks, you'll see that there are small sweet potatoes here at the end of the garden, and they're ready to be dug. Your vines are destroyed when you dig the sweet potatoes, so you're not trying to keep the vines alive. So you dig the sweet potatoes out and do the harvest for your sweet potatoes for the fall and enjoy.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.